All right, guys, we're messing around in the shop, and we're gonna see if we can get this thing to run. So, y'all hang tight. Maybe it will. Oh gosh.
Let's make sure we got good connectivity here.
What are you guys doing? We're supposed to be filming for other things, Mike. What are we doing?
We're gonna start the 59.
Okay. Comment down below if you know exactly what's supposed to be in this thing. I think it's probably a 230.
235.
235, Wesley Harden says.
Is it 235 or 250?
I think it's a 235. Did they bring 250s in yet?
They might not have been until the 60.
Till that 60, 66 body style. Anyway, original straight six. 3 on the tree, obviously. Actually, this is 3 in the floor. No, it's 4-speed in the floor, isn't it? I don't even know. These two rascals want to see if they can get it running.
Why do we gotta be rascals?
Well, I don't know. It's just easier to call y'all that. While they do that, this is our 59 short bed Apache that we just brought back from Oregon. If you hadn't seen the road trip, definitely check it out on our channel.
Bottom of that cart. Yeah. Oh, it's got the Earl.
Oh, it's definitely got Earl in it.
Nice Earl, too.
Nice Earl, fresh Earl. Well, I'm just gonna stand back and watch y'all. This is gonna be great.
Alright, Robert. Man, we definitely don't have no juice.
It's not in gear. I definitely check that. So we don't get run over if it does fire.
Nail up on the bumper right here. When it rolls, you just go with it. Ooh, what's this other one over here?
What's the other one?
You just hit the gas pedal here?
No, you hit the other.
Just that little circle.
Yeah, you want
a little circle all the way to the left of the.
Okay.
To the right.
I'm ready.
Yeah, just jam it down as far as it'll go.
Bad boy's turning over.
What?
Where's it going here?
Can't the man just have an Optima?
Man, just needed an Optima laying around.
I'll tell you what.
And we needed it for the Apache right this minute.
Yes.
Because the other one just was not getting the juice.
Squeeze the juice. What was that?
Encino Man.
That's right.
Encino Man, gosh. I mean, I know the guy who was in it, Brendan Fraser. But I don't remember that part. I don't know why.
He was in they were in the Quickie Mart.
You ready?
And they're getting the slushies and
Oh, yeah.
he was squirting it right in his mouth. Yeah, man.
Go.
We push the pedal down.
I got the pedal down.
It ain't down all the way. There you go. Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
We just didn't get any fuel?
Probably not.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's called shoot okay.
Do you need me to, oh, is it spilling out the bottom? Look at that.
I mean, I wouldn't doubt it.
Yeah.
She needs a rebuild.
Where's our fire extinguisher?
Right behind you.
It's on top of the cab.
Okay, in case the catches on fire.
Please hold.
Tell me when you want me to gas this thing. I can put my hand on the pedal.
Dude, you are not gonna believe this.
What? Do I need to turn off the camera or what?
No, I think you need to leave the camera on.
Okay.
Let's feed her again.
With some fuel?
And I'm gonna show you something.
All right.
It's freaking hilarious.
That sucker almost went. I mean, like it was.
I mean, I already threw it in gear. I was about to drive it around.
Drive it right through the wall because we have 0 brakes.
I was going to hold on. Hey, I've been in that situation before. I know how to do it.
I just got a little optimistic about this.
Man.
I wouldn't get too optimistic.
Oh, it's dumping stuff out the bottom. Look at this. Yeah, it's dumping stuff out the bottom there. I don't know what it is. Get that light. Let me see that light. Look at this. When he turns it over, it's dumping out all that dirt right there in that pile. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know where it's coming from though.
Hey, look. Hey, look behind it too, Robin. Where it's shooting out the exhaust.
Oh yeah.
It's rusted.
Blowing it out. Man, at least it's doing something.
Yeah.
Putting the gas to it now.
Starter stick.
Oh, yeah.
The starter stick.
Man, this is comfortable as the day was.
Oh man.
I was born.
Are you? Wait, you took the fender out?
I leaned it, yeah.
Heck yeah. Look at Wes in there.
Alright.
Oh.
Come on, keep it running.
Look, spewing fuel all over the place. Not even getting it down in the car. It's high.
We got oil pressure.
No kidding. Dang. Hey, will it idle? Will it idle?
Yeah.
Good Lord.
You got
It's running out of gas, isn't it?
you got oil pressure. You got amps.
She's dead.
She just done. Try it one more time. God, look at all the fuel.
Hey, go, try to start it back.
Try it one more time. I just want to see if it'll start again.
Oh yeah, I know how to do this now. That's why they got it like this. So you gas it and choke it at the same time.
My God. Shot it all over the firewall.
Alright, try it again.
Man.
You ready?
Yep. Keep going. Hold it to the floor, Wes.
Hold it to
When
the
you're trying
floor.
to crank
You got oil pressure? But it just ain't gonna do it.
Well, I think it might do it with
Maybe some.
you had some constant flow of gas to it.
I can't believe it fired up.
Can you turn the lights off?
Oh, the lights on.
I want to be able to see where I
Hey,
was
you
going.
need to show me got that marker light working.
Oh, did it come off?
Yeah, the marker light was on.
Hit the lights. I'll be dang.
Wait, did it go off now?
Yeah, both of them went off. Double
Yeah, that's how
headlight.
it works. So when you turn the headlights on, your marker lights go off.
All right, turn the headlights off. Marker lights both on.
So hit the blanket. See if it was blinking.
Oh, the whole steering column moved.
Is that oil or water?
That's water. That's peeing out of the water pump.
What was it coughing dirt on?
Yeah, I don't know. That's
Where's
what's
it at? Is it right
It's
underneath
right.
here?
It's right there. Like if you.
Yeah, I bet that was
Let me
full
see it.
of,
Let me see it. It's right back there.
I bet it's jerk off and stuff.
No,
right
it was
there.
it was coming out of the side of the block right here.
Here, hold that light right there just for a second. I'm trying to get that in focus. There we go. There's a big pile of dirt down there.
Maybe it just fell off here or something.
I think it may have just come off of it.
Yeah, because it actually, once it started running, it sounded like it was running.
Yeah, I think we could.
I mean, it didn't.
It didn't sound like super healthy.
No, but it doesn't sound like it was trying to come apart.
No. So we might have to.
I gave her a full throttle squirt there for a second. And I was like, that's
Yeah,
probably
you
not a
did.
good idea.
Spraying it all over the firewall.
This rod right here comes down and pushes on that button. Okay? So that's the, essentially like on a new style starter, that's the solenoid.
Yeah.
The rod engages the starter to the flywheel, and then that button is what puts power to the actual motor. So when you push on the pedal, you go down a little bit, and then it engages the starter, and then you push it down farther, and that's what turns it on.
Pretty rad, man. That's a pretty cool setup. We'll show it to you in here. You can see. A lot of you guys know this, but this is one of the oldest trucks I've ever had. Starter pedal right there, right next to the gas pedal, and so that's what Mike was showing you. Engage. That engages the starter essentially. Man, this thing's rad. I love it. I'd like to see it going up and down the road like it is. Get some brakes.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can just bleed the brakes and. What'd you do?
You know, it stuck the light to the fender.
Oh yeah, that's all good.
Need the brakes. Man, it's got newer enough tires. You don't need no brakes.
It does have new, or well, I don't know how new they are or how good they are, but it's got a different set of wheels and tires on it. We'll say that. I love it. All right, guys. Well, thanks to these two, this thing fired up. Derek, I bet you're, well, Derek and Jay, but you're pretty proud to see that. That worked out pretty good. We may throw some dollars at this and see if we can just get it to run up and down the road. Who knows? Stay tuned for that. But
Took less than 15 minutes.
took less than 15 minutes, but the 59 will run. So we'll catch you next time right here on United by Trucks. Cue the music.